Ever arrive at a campsite ready to cook, only to realize your grill is bulky, awkward to carry, or takes forever to set up? For a lot of campers, backyard grillers, and outdoor cooking enthusiasts, finding something portable without sacrificing functionality can be surprisingly difficult. That's where the Odoland Camping Campfire Grill comes in, and after taking a close look at what it offers, it's easy to see why it's getting attention from outdoor cooking fans. The Odoland Camping Campfire Grill is designed for campers, backpackers, tailgaters, picnic lovers, and anyone who enjoys cooking over an open flame. It combines the functionality of a charcoal grill, campfire cooking station, and wood-burning stove into a compact, foldable design that's built for travel. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, one of the most appealing things about this grill is how portable it feels. When folded down, it's compact enough to fit into the included carrying bag without taking up much room in your vehicle or camping gear. Instead of feeling like you're hauling around a full-size backyard grill, this feels much more like a practical piece of outdoor equipment that's designed specifically for people who are constantly on the move. The overall construction feels reassuringly sturdy. It's made from heavy-duty iron with a heat-resistant coating that helps it handle the demands of campfire cooking. Nothing feels flimsy or overly lightweight. In fact, it strikes a nice balance between portability and durability. The included stainless steel grill grate adds another layer of confidence since it's designed to handle direct contact with food while standing up to repeated use outdoors. From a design perspective, the simplicity works in its favor. There aren't dozens of moving parts or complicated mechanisms to figure out. Assembly is straightforward, and most people should be able to have it ready within just a few minutes. That's important because when you're outdoors, convenience matters. Nobody wants to spend half an hour reading instructions while everyone else is waiting for food. Performance is where this grill becomes particularly interesting. Because it supports both charcoal and wood burning, you have more flexibility depending on your environment and cooking style. If you're at a campground with access to firewood, you can use natural wood for cooking. If you prefer predictable heat control, charcoal works just as well. That versatility gives it an advantage over some portable grills that only support a single fuel source. For actual cooking, the grill provides enough space for small groups. It can comfortably handle several skewers at once and works well for grilling burgers, sausages, vegetables, steaks, and other campfire favorites. Heat distribution is reasonably consistent for a portable grill in this category, and the open design allows for easy monitoring of your food while cooking. Another benefit is that it doubles as a fire pit screen. On breezy evenings, sparks and embers can become a concern around campsites or backyard gatherings. The grill structure helps reduce that issue while still allowing you to enjoy the warmth and atmosphere of an open fire. It's a simple feature, but one that adds practical value beyond cooking alone. As for maintenance, there's not much of a learning curve. After the grill cools down, cleanup is relatively straightforward. The simple construction means fewer areas where grease and debris can hide. While it's not completely maintenance-free, it's easy enough to keep clean after regular use. The biggest strengths here are portability, versatility, and ease of setup. It's compact enough for travel, supports multiple fuel types, and works for both grilling and campfire cooking. The durable construction is another plus, especially considering the price point. The limitations are worth mentioning, too. This isn't designed to replace a large backyard barbecue for big family gatherings. Cooking space is naturally limited because of its compact size. If you're regularly cooking for large groups, you'll probably want something bigger. But for campers, couples, small families, and outdoor adventurers, the size feels appropriate for its intended purpose. Compared to similar portable campfire grills in this price range, the Odoland stands out because it combines portability and multi-purpose functionality. Many competing models focus solely on grilling, while this one offers grilling, wood burning, and fire pit support in a single package.